In the heart of Sydney, one of the iconic landmarks and must-visit is the Queen Victoria Building. The 100-year-old structure is a large shopping mall where its ornate facade and interior displays were carefully preserved.
Hi guys, we're at Queen Victoria Building and we're gonna check inside. Let's go!
This place is a destination for luxury shopping, featuring over 140 high-end boutiques for fashion, jewelry, expensive watches, and specialty items.
It's pretty nice, I like it, and it's quite branded in here.
As you walk around, you'll notice the stained glass artworks, inspired from the Romanesque design, a combination of beauty and elegance. If you look down, you'll see a beautiful geometric patterned mosaic. This might be the most important area in Queen Victoria Building for valor, the Victoria Cross, from history, awarded to members of the British and Australian Armed Forces for acts of extreme bravery in combat. We're inside the Queen Victoria Building, and if you see here, an eye-catching figures which tells a story about the Australian indigenous people and soldiers. Just underneath is a mechanical revolving device that has numbers, days, and Roman numerals that is synchronized on the actual clock below. Visitors can unwind at one of the elegant cafes and restaurants, indulge with a glass of wine or whiskey, and eat savoring delicious food.